Ever wondered how to keep your pavers looking pristine? Paver Sealing Vegas has the answer. Since 2012, we've been the go-to experts in Las Vegas for top-notch paver sealing. Why? Because we focus solely on cleaning and sealing, delivering unmatched quality and no hidden costs. Unlike others, we never charge extra for necessary top coats and always include sand where needed. Our detailed process ensures your pavers not only look incredible, but stay protected against the elements. From powerful pressure washing to meticulous sealing, we handle it all using industrial strength equipment. Plus, the same expert who provides your quote does the work. Nothing gets lost in translation. We believe in honest pricing and delivering excellence every time. With hundreds of happy homeowners, chances are your neighbor is already a fan. Choose Paver Sealing Vegas for a company that's licensed, insured, and laser focused on making your pavers shine. Your satisfaction is our success. Visit us today